I don't know if Kenyans relate with this, especially when it comes at that time when you want to file your KRA returns. You need to go to a cyber cafe or you need to have a computer so that you can file returns, because a smartphone is not does not have that ability. That is not a convenient way to file your returns. Now, I have good news for you. KRA has developed a new app which you can use to file your returns, and I'll show you how to. The first step you need to make is head over to PlayStore. I'm not sure if it is available for iPhone users in the Apple App Store. And then you need to search for KRA M-Service. It will bring you such an app, KRA M-Service by Kenya Revenue Authority. You need to install it. It is about 1.86 MBs. The second step is opening the app. Open, click open up button. And now the third step is it will bring you to such a page, M-Service, swift and efficient. I need to click the button get started at the bottom of my screen. In this dashboard, you are offered with several sections. Now, if you have an account on the KRA website, the app still doesn't recognize you, so you need to sign up. And then after signing up, you need to log in, okay? Now, I'll click the sign up, and then I'll input my KRA pin, and then I'll input my phone number, that is 07, and then the email address at gmail.com, and then I'll click yes and then go to next. The app now has taken me to this page, and I've received a message from KRA, and I need to input a pin that has been or even an OTP that has been sent to my phone number that I've inputted in the last page. So I need to input 3783. It's 3783. Make sure that the number that you are inputting is already on so that you can receive the message 83. And then I'll click the submit button. Now I need to input the new password. Okay, I'll need to suggest strong password, and then I'll set the password. Password changed successfully. Okay, and I'll update, and then I need to input the password again. It is already saved into my Google account. Okay, and then I'll need to log in. Now I've been brought to this dashboard where I can see tax returns, payment, tax compliance, general inquiries, and all that. I'll click the tax returns, and then I need to click the file nil returns. I need to click the file nil returns, and then obligation, it is the ITR, individual tax resident, ITR. Okay, because I'm a Kenyan. For the second option is for the non-Kenyans. Filing period, I need to, let's say you want to file returns for the previous year, that is 2024. You need to select the year 2024, and then click OK, and then proceed. It has brought me such an error because I have already filed my 2024 returns. However, for you who hasn't filed your returns, it will bring you a success message. Okay, and that's how you do it. Sure, that will save your time and money, because you can do things on the comfort of your phone. We are here to make you productive in the digital space. Be sure to follow for more.